For over 21 years, Moxie Pacific Railroad has maintained a stable working relationship with one railroad, that being West Road Transit. Ever since their introduction in 2004, we have always helped together, either by interchanging traffic or helping in a crisis, such as the 2011 Joplin tornado, which had hit a massive workshop, or around the last 2 years of a severe war that impacted Moxie Pacific Railroad, Jinx Co., West Road Transit, and notably Innovation Incorporated Railroad. Even with throughout these dark times, we were able to overcome these issues, and we are now standing where we are today. This is Moxie Pacific.